everyone, today we are going to draw the angle of 60 degrees with the help of a scale and a compass. Let's start. Now get your scale and draw a line of your desired length. Now take your compass and place the point on any side of the line. Now after adjusting your radius, you have to draw an arc. Now you'll notice you've got a point of intersection between the line and the arc. Keeping the same radius, what you have to do is place your point on the point of intersection. Now draw another arc. Now take your scale once again. Place your scale in such a way that it intersects through both the point of intersection like this one and your point the way you started, and then draw a line. Let's check what have we got. Yes, we have got an angle of 60 degrees as you can see. Thank you.